Hi, this is David from the tacticaldriver.com with a very helpful video for those who have started to drive with Uber or been driving for the past few days. I still believe it's about 7 days or 15. It used to be 30, but I think it went down to 15 or 7, not too sure. But I made a mistake, and now I want to help other drivers so that they don't make the same mistake as I did. I did not use a sign-on bonus, so I didn't get the most out of it. So if you do, definitely go for it. Just look for a YouTuber you follow and use their code, or you can use mine. You can go to the Tactical Driver and you'll see it there if you want to sign up. But I want to show you guys something, how to do it if you already signed up and you've been driving for the past few days, hours, or whatnot. So let's go into the Uber app, the driver app. I already have it here. You're gonna go click on your little icon up here in the top section, top right. Click on your picture. From here, you're gonna go to your help icon. Here, top right again, and in here, we're gonna go to account and payments. Just scroll down. You'll see it right here in the middle with a little person icon logo. So right here it is. We'll tap on that. From here, we're gonna go into referrals, which is at the bottom. I'll move it up to the middle of the screen, and it's right here. You see it? So we go in there, and from referrals, we're gonna go into invited driver report my missing or incorrect driver referral. So go in here, and in here we're gonna go with send a message at the bottom. Here it is. Tap on that. And we're gonna fill in the data on the fields that pretty much that's gonna be like if it was a late activation referral, because what it is. So invite code use, you could use the one you saw from the tactical programmer. Oh, sorry, the tacticaldriver.com. And now I'm putting it up on my other screen. Okay, so in here you want to type in K V. Well, let's go with the all uppercase, so that way some letters don't look like numbers. K V as in Victor, Q U 9 U E. Friend that referred you, of course. You could put any YouTuber you look up to, or you could put my name and make it easier. Should be David. Last name Soto, S-O-T-O. Here for phone number, we're gonna go with, pretty easy, 619-666-8899. And for the email, we're gonna go with my email, of course. This if I was the one that recommended you to drive, that way you get the bonus, and I get a little bonus as well for me. So you help me, I help you. So here we're starting off with my last name, Soto. David. Oops, David. Letter J. And at Gmail. Okay, that's it. And here for the share additional details, here I would type in, I'm gonna use my voice to dictate it, that way I'm not typing and take longer than normal. Okay, so just type in there the following. My good friend David referred me to drive and join the Uber family. Oh, I guess it didn't pick up. Okay, I'll just type it in there. My good friend David referred me to drive and join the Uber family. And after that, just hit submit, and that's it. I'm not gonna do it because Uber's gonna get a request and it's gonna have all the same info I had before, and they're gonna be like, hey, what the heck is this? But anyway, just hit submit, and that's it. And hopefully you get back with a response from Uber, and hopefully you'll get that bonus as well. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. This is is David from the tacticaldriver.com. If you're thinking about driving or starting with Uber, visit the site, thetacticaldriver.com, for more information. We're getting started.